Beware of ATM card blocked SMS scam. Protect your personal information. Pakistanis continue to face ongoing fraud issues due to its wide population, poor economy, and gaps in regulatory and enforcement systems with no awareness. There's a common short message service scam that surfaced again. The text message warns, "Dear customer, your ATM card has been closed by State Bank due to non-verification. Yet, if you want to keep using your ATM card, contact us, as you're required to contact a certain number to keep using your card." It is to be noted that the SMS comes from someone's phone number rather than an official number. It offers another personal mobile number to contact rather than a bank helpline. Additionally, it communicates in poor English, which is generally not the way with text sent from official sources. You can also confirm if your debit or credit card works through your banking app or by using it at an ATM. This isn't the first time this scam has been showcased in SMS text. It's been afflicting mobile users for years, but has reappeared again. There's a relatable SMS fraud that's emerged again. A claim that your package from an online order has been seized or delayed since it had an incomplete address. It asks you to verify your information at a malicious link and then asks for money. These scammers often pose as officials from Pakistan Post, but Pakistan Post's official website has had a banner warning against these fake SMS texts for ages now. According to Fateh Mahmood, a parcel was waiting for delivery and requesting his address. SMS included a link as scammers asked people to enter their correct address, and it also mentioned the 89 rupees re-delivery fees. When the man tried paying the 89 rupees, he was alerted by his bank that there were insufficient funds in his account. As he checked what was going on, it turned out that the scammer tried to withdraw around 400,000 rupees from a mobile shop in the UAE.